on this channel in 2030, 30, yeah. I want to see this channel growing, maybe reached 15 15k subscribers. Yeah, 15k. This channel whereby I'll be talking about myself, Uncle Sandlana. You see, there's no hand in there, one hand only. So by the time I want this channel having subscribers, that will be 15k subscribers, whereby I'll be just talking about myself, talking about my disability, Maybe one day I will feature other people who are living with disability, particularly those who have been involved in car accident or been shot, during crime or during accident, being shot during accident. Yeah, man. So in 2030, I want my channel to be grown. Maybe the reason why I talk so much about disability, I don't use the term advocate. I don't even understand what does it mean. So I'm just me, Nanje, spreading message out there about our condition, our situation, things that we face each and every day. People who live with disability, they know what I'm talking about, bro. Like, hey, we face challenges, man. We faced a lot of challenges, as at work, at home, you're going to hospital. There's so many challenges. You're traveling. There's so many challenges that we face. So we'll be talking about that. I will be also talking about that. So I want this channel to grow, to grow and spreading message and teaching people. Yeah, man. So I'm looking forward to see my channel having many more people who are supporting my channel. It is what it is. 2030, here I come.